I'm probably looking a hot mess right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how I installed my son's new car seat. This is the Graco Extend2Fit, and it is one of those car seats where you can use it from birth till the child is about probably 3 or 4 years old, maybe even older. I think maybe up to 7 years old. It goes from 0 all the way up to 100 pounds. So it grows, well, it's adjustable as your child grows. Now on this side, I'm not sure if you could see it here, but there are some levels that you can recline the seat to when, if it's a baby like an infant newborn, you will want to go all the way to 1. Right now it's on 3. Let me just show you. This is 1. So you place the baby in here and there won't be too much pressure on the baby's spine. Now, as the kid grows, can go up to 2. Is this 2? Yeah, this is 2. This will be. This is 3. This is 4. This will be 5, and this will be 6. So it also converts to a booster seat for older children. You have this this headrest there, which is adjustable. You just squeeze and you can take it down, or you can bring it up as far as here, so bigger kids will be able to fit in here. What else is there? It also comes with these nice little padded cushions, which you can also remove to have cleaned. Just this one back there. And your safety straps. And this is clean right. Your safety straps. And there's this. Turn this way. You kind of fit it together like this and then put it in here. So follow me as I jump into the car to get this car seat installed. Okay, so now I'm going to be uninstalling my car seat, my infant car seat, and installing the new one. Oh, Cheerios. Yeah, so I'm going to be installing the new one, and since I'm going to be putting the new one forward facing, then I'm going to I won't have use for this mirror anymore. So I'm just going to remove it now. Alright, so now that I have brought in the new car seat, it is time to install it into the vehicle. So I think I'm going to use both the latch system and the vehicle seat belt. So first thing I'm going to do is to unlatch One thing to note is that every vehicle has these latches in the back. If you kind of feel around, you can feel it. So that is basically what you use to secure your car seat to the vehicle. Just kind of feel around and stick it in. I'm going to be needing both hands for this, so I'm gonna have to put my phone down for a while. I've already basically adjusted the harness and the height of the head support here. The head support should be no lower than, well, the bottom of the head support should be no lower than the baby's ears, and the harness should be in line with the height of his shoulder. Also, when you are closing the buckles, probably can't see here, but make sure that it's in line with the height of his armpits. You know what I think? I think I should put it in 6. Okay. Better. And now I'm going to feel this right here. You can do this. This way. Right. So pretty secure already. And now I'm going to be fishing the vehicle seat belt. Excuse me. The vehicle seat belt through the sides here. Yeah, so I'm going to go on the other side and do that. So now that my seat is installed, I'm going to try reclining to the 3rd position. Oh, I can't. So absolutely has to be 4. So guys, as you can clearly see as indicated at the bottom here, level 4 is an absolute must for the forward facing position. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video straight out of the archives. This is old.
But nonetheless, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so that you are alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.